This is absolutely mind-blowing. Here's a comparison of what you have been paying in 2020 versus 2024 for these 5 major items. Starting with home insurance, it was £271 in 2020 versus £403 in 2024. That's a 48% increase. Car insurance, in 2020 you'd have paid £474 compared to £639 in 2024. That's a 34% increase in monthly payments. Now, the average weekly shop per person. In 2020, it was £32.17 versus £54.30 in 2020. That's a staggering 68% increase in basic food costs. And that's per week, not per month. Finally, the average rent. It was £821 in 2020 versus £1,223 in 2024. That's a gut-wrenching 48% increase, likely the biggest outgoing for many. Meanwhile, wages have only grown between 14 and 18% for the average UK worker, making things even tighter. This is just crazy. What do you think? Let me know.